Alright, this is for anybody that's wondering about those Chinese fuel pumps on, I don't know, I guess anything 1992 and new, or sorry, 1992, wow, forget that, 1999 to, I'm assuming probably at least 2010, 11, 12 maybe, I don't know anything about the newer vehicles and fuel pumps. But with my experience with the Chinese fuel pumps from Amazon, you have to wire them in. The plug is the same on your truck, but unfortunately the wire combination that they send you is not connected the right way. So this is how you need to have it. So off their line, so off the new plug, this is my original plug here. I just kind of taped it up. I left it on just in case, right? This is the one that comes with the aftermarket. So you got a black plug here, like the wire for the black here. The purple will clearly go with purple. But this is where it gets tricky. So you have the gray line, goes with the gray. Make sure you put the black one with the orange one that has the white line. I literally hooked this up yesterday, everything worked right. But it wasn't pumping fuel to my car. It was showing my gauge has fuel, but it wasn't pumping gas to my car. Basically what happened was I was assuming that the three, like the way the four lines go in, you go kind of the same direction, 1, 2, 3. That would be orange and black to the gray, right? But that's how it works. I'll show you that it's all working once I get it back in here. I'm gonna tape up these spots, put it back in the grommet, maybe tape up that thing a little bit. That way nothing can hurt these wires. I'll be right back. Now I feel safer. I got it all taped back up inside there. Lots more tape. Now we just need to plug it all back in. So I'll try and show you. I don't know if... So that's the fuel pump that you'll receive right there. Everything is technically the same, only this pump is like plastic. Gotta try and plug these wires in. So you got your fuel pressure sensor right here, the fuel sensor, I mean the pressure sensor for fuel. Sorry guys. Okay, so it clicks there, everything works nice there. This one, once you wire it right, not backwards like I did, because I was pumping my fuel back into my tank and not to my engine. So just plug it into the plug here, and I'll go show you guys as well. So that's that. I will do something with these wires, but off camera I'll do that, because as of right now I don't really need to do much with it. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you up top here what I mean. Like everything will start working the way it should if we go up into this car. Sorry, my seat's messed up. My truck's kind of old. It's a 2002. We'll let everything kind of prime. The fuel gauge does work, but because of the way the tank and everything's sitting, it's not going to it's not going to show fuel right now because I don't have enough in the tank. If I had too much fuel in there, I wouldn't be able to lift it back up myself. But the truck starts, everything works. There's an old fuel pump, I'll show you that in a second too. Here's the old pump, guys. This one is what came out. So this was an Apple part. I bought this pump a couple years back. They said it should only last me like 2 years, but it lasted quite a while. Brother-in-law says that I can just change the pump inside, take it off by these two clips here, and just kind of pull it up. You'll be all right. Change the pump inside and just use this old one if it wasn't going to work with the Chinese one, but I figured out the wiring for the Chinese pump, which is good, because I really don't care to have this old ass thing back in my truck again. But if anybody you have a question or anything like that, please just leave a comment. I'll come and reply to it. If you're stuck, Leave a comment, let me know you're stuck. I can figure out a way to try and help you. I did figure it out for my truck, so if you're having issues, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Take care.